Hey guys, it's Corey here with Wisdify, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. So let's start by taking a look at our sample data set of customers here. We have got name, we've got email, phone number, and then transaction number. In this list of customers, some customers may be in here more than once if they have transacted with our business more than one time. Hence, they will have a unique transaction number, but the other data in here may be duplicated. Let me show you how to remove the duplicates. We're going to start by selecting column A, and then up here at the top, clicking on data. Now, I've already clicked on it in this Excel file before I started recording, so that's already selected, but you select data there. Oops, let me do it again, and then hit remove duplicates. Now, Excel is going to recognize that the column we have selected is part of a larger table and ask if we want to expand the selection. Because all of the data here is relevant, it's all part of one table, we are going to leave that selected as expand the selection and then select remove duplicates. Now, essentially, what Excel is going to ask us now is, hey, are there any columns you would like us to omit? Right? And we can see that it has already fetched the headers, name, email, phone number, and transaction number. Well, transaction number would be unique for every entry in this data set, but if we remove duplicates on that basis or did not exclude the transaction number, nothing would be removed because each item, line by line by line, is unique with this transaction number. So we need to omit the transaction number. So we are going to remove that from the selection. And here, or from here, Excel will fundamentally just look at the name, email, and phone number for duplicates. And then we'll click OK right there, and it will say alert, 19 duplicate values found and removed, 81 unique values remain. So I like to do a mental check at this point and just kind of think, hey, is it likely that 19 of my 100 in the sample data set were duplicates? You know, based on what I know about the business or data that I'm working with. If that number, just seems way off there, I may recheck some things, but for the sake of demonstration, that number is accurate here. So we are going to just click OK on that note, and now we've got our data with all duplicates removed. So on that note, guys, if you would like to learn more about Excel, particularly as it's used in the finance and business space, over at Wisdify, we have an awesome free course on Excel, which you can find by going to Wisdify Free Excel CPE and clicking on the top result. And this course is valid for 5 CPE credits for accountants. So if you're a CPA out there in the United States or another country that recognizes NASBA credits here, you can take our free course and earn 5 free CPEs. Once you land on this page, it's important to click here. Don't click here on take this course or get started because that will lead you into a paid sign up. But right here, if you click here, you can sign up for free. It'll add it to your cart for free. And then you can come in here, click proceed to checkout and sign up without any credit card and learn all kinds of awesome stuff that is highly applicable to the finance and accounting world in Excel. On that note, guys, I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you did, you know the drill. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe button to help me out in the YouTube algorithms. And I'm calling it a wrap and signing off on that note.